Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is Ms. Sidra Iqbal, visiting teacher of the Department of History and Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Bank Road Campus, Lahore. Here I am with the course title of Economic History of Pakistan for the program of Masters of History with course code HIST 411A. So now we are going to discuss our second lecture of the economic history of Pakistan. Our today's topic is Pakistan economic potential. In this topic, we will discuss the Pakistan economic potential. Here we will go and discuss the 5 years plans of Pakistan. First of all, we have to learn that how we can define a plan. Definition of plan. A plan is a typical and procedure. Typically any procedure used to achieve an objective. बेसिकली कोई भी ऐसा प्रोसीजर जो हम सेट करते हैं उसको उस पे काम करते हैं किसी भी अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव या अपने गोल को अचीव करने के लिए, उसको हम प्लान कहते हैं. इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ इंटेंडेड एक्शंस थ्रू विच वन एस्पेक्ट्स टू अचीव अ गोल. As I already explained that a set of actions which you typically use to procedure to achieve your aspect, to achieve a goal or your any objective. You have to set a plan, you have to set the actions and then to have to work on it, then your aspects to have to achieve a goal. Expectations, when you have to when you have expectations to achieve a goal, then you have to intended actions. What is planning? Is the process of thinking about and organizing the activities or desired goal, that is called the planning. It involves the creation and maintenance of a plan, slow economic growth, public sector planning in Pakistan. In Pakistan, all the public sector planning commission of Pakistan and its supporting bodies, from this point forward all the texts will deal with planning commission, its machinery and its methods in the country. All the public sector planning commission of Pakistan and its supporting bodies, from this point to forward all the texts will deal with planning commission, its machinery and its planning methods in the country. History of Planning Commission of Pakistan. Soon after independence in 1947, the government of Pakistan decided to adopt planning methodology for rapid development of the country resources, leading to the economic and social well-being of the people. Immediate steps were therefore taken to establish necessary machinery for the preparation and implementation of plans. Development Board. What is Development Board? A development board was established early in 1948 in Economic Affairs Division to deal with question of rapid economic development of the country. Work of planning board, we have to see that how the planning board works. The government of Pakistan set up a planning board on 18th July 1953 to prepare a more comprehensive national plan of development. This is basically for the development. Pakistan Board Planning Board set up or board on 18th July 1953 prepare a more comprehensive national plan of development for the economic development of the Pakistan, with Mr. Zahid Hussain, ex-governor of State Bank of Pakistan, as its first chairman and two other members. Actually, Government of Pakistan make a committee for the planning board where the Mr. uh, Zahid Hussain as its first chairman. This committee belongs to the one chairman and two other members of the board. Permanent National Planning Board or Planning Commission. A permanent National Planning Board was established in April 1957. The board consisted of a chairman, which is Mr. Zahid Hussain, ex-governor of State Bank of Pakistan, and two other members. One of whom was designated as deputy chairman. The Prime Minister assumes the office of chairman. The board was required to promote research, statistics surveys, investigation, and evaluations, as well as to advise the government about policy and problems in various fields of national development. बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट जो है उसने एक प्लानिंग बोर्ड जो है उसकी तश्कील दी, परमानेंट प्लानिंग बोर्ड, जिसकी एक कमेटी तश्कील दी गई, जिसका एक चेयरमैन और दो मेंबर्स होते थे चेयरमैन के साथ। चेयरमैन जो है, जो सबसे पहला इस कमेटी का चेयरमैन था, वो थे मिस्टर जाहिद हुसैन, एक्स चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। और अब वो बोर्ड जो है उसका मेन वर्क क्या था? वो रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रमोट रिसर्च करना, स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्वेस करना, इन्वेस्टिगेशन और एवेल्यूएशन। इसके साथ साथ जो है गवर्नमेंट को एडवाइस करना पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में, या प्रॉब्लम्स जो थी वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ नेशनल डेवलपमेंट जो हैं उनमें जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती थी उसके बारे में गवर्नमेंट को आगाह करते थे। ये ऑल टू ऑल एक्टिविटीज़ थी परमानेंट प्लानिंग बोर्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान की। और इसमें जो मेन चीज़ थी वो रिसर्च। दे हैव टू इन्वेस्टिगेट और एवेल्यूएट द थिंग्स एंड inform the government about it. Major function of the planning commission: Preparation of national plans for the economic and social development of the country. Preparation of national plans for the economic and social development of the country. The second one is ADP, Annual Development Program. Formulation of an annual development program within the framework of national, medium term एंड एनुअल प्लान्स. अब एक एडीपी बनाया गया. फ्रेमवर्क उसका क्या था कि वो मीडियम टर्म और एनुअल टर्म जो प्लान्स थे उनकी फॉर्मुलेशन करते थे. रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट्स इन द नेशनल प्लान्स. जो नेशनल प्लान्स बनते उनमें जो एडजस्टमेंट्स थी उनके लिए ये रिकमेंडेशंस जो हैं वो प्रोवाइड करते. Evaluation of ongoing and completed projects. और जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे होते या कंप्लीट हो चुके होते हैं उनको एवेल्युएट करना भी जो है वो कमेटी का काम था. एवेल्युएशन ऑफ जनरल सोशो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिसी. इवेल्युएशन करना जनरली जो सोशो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन थी और जो पॉलिसीज थी उनकी कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है वो भी कमेटी की जिम्मेदारी थी. मॉनिटरिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द प्लान्स एंड द मेजर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट एंड प्रोग्राम्स. जो भी प्रोजेक्ट प्लान्स थे उनको मॉनिटर करना या फिर उनको लागू करवाना जो है मेजर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड प्रोग्राम्स को, ये भी कमेटी की ड्यूटीज़ में शामिल था. टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान्स. देयर इज़ अ 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान्स. फर्स्ट वन इज़ पर्सपेक्टिव प्लान ईयर्स. इट्स फॉर 10 to 25 years. मीडियम टर्म प्लान्स ईयर्स. इट्स फ्रॉम 4 years to 7 years. रूलिंग प्लान ईयर्स. It's for 3 years. Its duration is 3 years. Annual plans. Annual plans duration is for 1 year. These are the types of 4 plans: prospective plans, medium plans, prospective plan years, medium plan years, rolling plan years, and the annual plans. Brief introduction of 5-year planning in Pakistan. First 5-year plans is from 1955 to 1960. Second 5-year plans from 1960 to 1965. The third 5-year plan is from 1965 to 1970. Then the fourth 5-year plan, which is from 1970 to 1975. Fifth 5-year plan, which is from 1978 to 1983. These are the plans and their duration. Every plan have the duration of 5 years, which is from 1955 to 1960 first 5-year plan, 1960 to 1965 second 5-year plan, 1965 to 1970 there is third 5-year plan, 1970 to 1975 there is fourth 5-year plan, and from 1978 to 1983 there is 5th year plan. So 6th 5-year plan is from 1983 to 1988. The duration of seventh 5-year plan is from 1988 to 1993. Then the duration of 8 5-year plan from 1993 to 1998. Then the duration of ninth 5-year plan is from 1998 to 2003. Basically, this is the plan of 10 5-year plans. 1983 to 1988, six 5-year plan. The 1988 to 1993 is the duration of seventh 5-year plan. 1993 to 1998 is the eighth 5-year plan, and the 1998 to 2003 is the ninth 5-year plan's duration. Then they formulate the 10-year perspective development framework. The 10-year perspective development framework and the duration of the 10-year perspective development framework is 2001, from 2001 to 2011. Before all these 9 5 years plans, the duration is 5 years, but the 10th one is prospective development framework, is the for 10 years. And his duration is from 2001 to 2011. So these are the 5 plans which formulated by the Permanent Planning Commission of the Pakistan. Pakistan formulated a committee with the name of the Planning Commission of Pakistan. This committee consisted one chairman and two other members. Its first chairman is Mr. Zahid Hussain with two other members. These commissions have some duties like research, statistical surveys, investigation. They have some duties too, to establishment the ADPs, to formulate the mid-term or annual plans, and they have to be the work for their formulation for the and formulation the plans and implemented, or also monitoring the plans. They also gave the 10 plans, from which the 9 is with the duration of 5 years, but the 10th is with the period of 10 years. That is called the development framework. They formulated it and tried to implement in Pakistan. They also they are responsible to advise the government and gave the briefing about the policies and projects and their implementation and their evaluation. They also evaluate the midterm programs and all these projects which are ongoing or which were completed. So this is our today's lecture. I hope you can understand. While listening the lecture, if you have any query, any problem, any question, you can ask me anytime. You can comment in Google Classrooms, or you can text me, or you can, if you have a major problem, you can also call me for the query, for answer of any question. I hope you can understand the whole lecture. Thank you so much.